One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when they're getting started on Pinterest is, before we get started, I'm Crash Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, hopefully like yours. So a lot of times clients will come to me for an audit, and one of the key things I see that is wrong with their profile, besides it just not being set up correctly, is that they're only are pinning to like one board. You need to be pinning to multiple boards, which means you need to be having at least 10 to 15 boards on your profile. This might seem like a lot, but it really isn't at all. What people fail to realize is that Pinterest is really different from other social media platforms. It's actually a search engine. So your boards are actually like these little folders that hold your related content to make it easy for it to be found. But the thing is, you can have multiple boards that hold the same piece of content. It's perfectly fine. So if you only have one board on your Pinterest account, please go change that right now. And if you have any more questions, leave them below. Or if you would like me to check out your Pinterest account, drop it and I might give you a free audit.